Hey everybody, so I am popping up real quick because I am getting ready to go out. So I'm like, let me just take advantage and show you guys and give you guys my honest review on the BYOMA Moisturizing Rich Cream. So this is a cream. I've used a lot of brands throughout the years, and now that I'm like in my mid 30s, obviously your skin changes, everything changes. So I tend to look for things that are going to favor my mid 30s. So this one is really good. It has trisamide complex Bakuchiol and Shea extract. I put it on last night and I still feel the moist in my face, which I love. I love that it's not sticky. You know, when you put moisturizers and they're like super sticky, and I hate moisturizers that you put on and like, I don't know, they just like peel off. So I love the pump. So let's talk about the pump. I love it because I hate sticking my fingers in it. The pump is super, super convenient. This is how it looks like. So it's not too thick, not too thin. I'm just gonna place it here just so you guys can see like how it is. And it literally like disappears in your face. It absorbs it and it is very lightweight. It's not sticky, it's not thick. And you know when you put on your moisturizer and then you put makeup and then you feel like double sticky, this will not give you that. It says that it hydrates, it restores. So I used it for like 6 months and I cannot complain at all about this. This has been very, very good. I love the quality, I love the color, I love the convenience. If you've been looking for a moisturizer that's not gonna break the buck, if you're not gonna break the bank, that's how you say it, this is one that I highly recommend.